Real quick, make sure you guys do go past the orange cones in the opposite of the field. I know I got most of my regulars, so you guys know what you're doing, but for the new guys, you guys can run all the way down the black netting. It's completely fine. Do not wander off in the terminus, like I mentioned earlier. Okay, you have to make a left, and then you can sit out in that burnout conex back there. Okay, just no further than that. Okay, or you can go over to the flags. You can go in all the connexes and whatnot, but just make sure you guys keep in mind those orange cones. Don't go past them. Okay.
Or flip it.
Yep. So if the flag, remember it's on a stand. Just rotate your flag color upwards, and whoever has it at the end of the game wins. Okay.
Or if you're a gambling man, just smack that thing and hope it lands.
Yeah. Okay. We all good, guys?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. And then just as a reminder, my Thunder Beasts, or my guys that have Thunder Beasts, don't throw them in the connexes. Okay. All right, guys. All right, good stuff.
Don't blow me up. Oh no, it'll stand out. It'll look cool. So it's painted.
Right where we were standing by the phone.
Yeah, they did like a half of it was in white, and so if it's if it's up, you can see it's fucking semi. If it's upside down, auto. Oh, that's pretty cool. They're coming this way. Yep, good hit. Good shit. Ow. Left side, white connex, right side of white connex. We're blue. Yep. Whoa. Yep, good hit, mate. Yeah.
Oh, he's around the containers.
Yeah, I see him. He's hit. Oh, that was fucking close.
Saw that right? Got two of them on this side.
Yeah, do we still have both flags?
I don't know.
Okay.
He killed me when I was guarding.
Oh, okay.
He was got there in the nave.
All right. I know damn well I'm shooting that guy. We'll get him next round. You want to push left? I'll push right.
Yeah, I'm gonna run the net.
Okay, I'll push left side then. Oh shit, I'm blank. Yep, good hit, mate. How'd you do that? You got me in the elbow. Damn. What?
It wasn't the script. I see.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Good hit, Emil. Hey, make sure you keep your head down. Your hood's peeking out.
All right, appreciate it, man.
Yeah, no worries, man. Good game, guys.
Yep.
Alright guys, so just letting you know, I might have to break teams up, especially their side, because we got 17 and we only got 12, and yet somehow you guys are still winning by a large margin. Okay? So with that being said,
We're just that good.
Next game I'm going to have to change it up at some point. Let's
Let's give them a head start. Let's just wait. Like, let them go and we'll wait a little bit.
Because this will be the big game where they like wake up.
Yeah.
Okay. So with that being said, your respawn, we all good?
Yep.
Yeah? Okay. Alright guys.
Break.
I smell pizza. Smell that?
Big guy 17.
No. All I smell is death.
It's like a combination of like mustache scent and the fucking
Yeah. Probably this. I think. I don't know. Let's just. Oh, Connex. Let's go Connex. No one's there.
They're coming.
Oh shit.
Oh! Did you literally block the BB for me? Yeah, no one's there. Yeah, good hit. Nice hit.
Nothing.
What?
No, like
No, you feel it?
no.
Alright, you're good, you're good.
Okay,
No, you good.
Alright, let's get this flag.
Yeah. I think they're on the far right, be careful. Far left, whatever. Crossing. Friendly. I'm going back this way. I'm trying to shoot this off. Police, I'm distracted. He's still there. There's a guy right here. All three of us rush him. Oh, I'm fucking dry. I'm dry. Far left. There's someone in there. Oh, friendly. Good job my fucking shit didn't go off.
It might be coming through. You got me, Patrick.
Yep.
Alright guys, you got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, that game ended in a tie game. We're gonna go next to the field guys. Max up, Bill covers on, Max up, Bill covers on. That was a good game, good game.
That was a good one with your grenade.
Thanks.
I just walked away. I was like, fuck this.
Why isn't this one working? Now it's working. I literally fucking threw that mag in there, run around the corner, pull the trigger, nothing. I'm like, it's a fresh mag, what the fuck?